All right, we've had a couple pretty big heat waves so far, and this is going to be another midweek burst of heat, but we can handle this. We've been triple digits plus. This is not near that, but it is going to be warmer compared to what we've been through, and it starts today. So let's go ahead and show you a couple things. First of all, the wind. The wind was an issue. It was really dry, it was really windy, and it was a big fire risk, and we already know we've had some pretty significant fires so far. So we're going to take away the wind and add in the heat. So it's sort of a wash, essentially, as far as the weather changes. I can tell you right now it is cold. We've got temperatures that are in the 50s down low and 30s up high with a little bit of frost. You know, once the air gets really dry like this, you see the temperatures go way up and then they tank. So if you're worried about the 90s coming back, don't worry about the mornings. They're not going to be super warm like they were with the last heat wave when we were waking up in the 70s. That's not going to happen. It's going to be nice 60s in the morning. The wind is calm at the moment. We've got temperatures that are going to shoot way above where we got yesterday, somewhere in the low 90s. It kind of depends on where you are and far from the records. Look at the bottom of your screen as this moves along here hour by hour in the Gilmore backyard. You can see the wind will start to pick up a little bit this afternoon. But 5 to 10 miles per hour, that's not too bad, and highs in the low 90s. So that means this, you can still get a lot done in the morning, even early afternoon, it's not too bad. Late afternoon between, I would say, 3 and 6 p.m., that's usually when we hit our highs, dial it back for a little bit, and then you can get after it once we get closer to sunset, which is later and later every single day until we get to the solstice. So warmer weather is moving in, that's really the story here. I want to show you a couple extra things that I always look for just in case. Could there be showers and thunderstorms in the mountains late in the day? We've seen that with the last couple of heat waves, but I don't see it. And remember, I'm calling this a heat wave because it's relative to where we've been lately, which has been pretty nice. It's nowhere near what we saw. It's not excessive heat. It's not even a heat advisory. It's just warmer than where we've been lately. As far as the wind, again, it will pick up, and it's regional. I do think we're going to catch a bit of a delta breeze tonight and early tomorrow morning, so watch for that. If you traditionally get a delta breeze, I think we're going to get one tonight. And I just want you to look ahead to this weekend because we will be cooling down. We're going to see highs on Friday move into the 80s, but it'll be very windy, big fire risk on Friday. And then look what happens on Saturday. Rain comes back for the mountains. I don't think it'll be as cold as the last round, so I'm not really looking at snow for this one. But if you have things going on in the mountains this upcoming weekend, plan on a bit of rain there on Saturday.